So do you use a catheter to empty your bladder? You've heard about these things called Coude or curved tip catheters. You're wondering what the heck that's all about. Well, check out this video and I'll give you the scoop. Hey guys, Doc Haps here with UroCoach. So you've heard about these things called Coude style catheters. You're wondering what it's all about. We're going to talk about the difference between a straight catheter and a curved tip or Coude catheter, why one might use a curved tip catheter, how to use a curved tip catheter. We're going to go over the anatomy. Lastly, stay tuned. I'll give you my tips and tricks as to how to make catheterization as easy as possible. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment. We love to hear from you. What is a Coude catheter? Well, Coude means bend. And as its name implies, there's a bend at the tip of all Coude style catheters. Now, as you can see here, there's a gentle bend at the tip of this catheter. This is a Coude style catheter. Now, different manufacturers, different companies will make a bit different angles of that bend. That bend may be longer, but any catheter with a bend at the tip is called a curved tip or Coude style catheter. Why would you benefit from a curved tip catheter? Well, it's all about the anatomy. So let's go over the anatomy of the urethra, the prostate, and the bladder. Let's start with ladies. Ladies have very simple anatomy. The urethra is very short, about 3 centimeters, and it directly enters into the bladder. So typically, women will not need to use a curved or Coude style catheter. They can use a straight catheter because it's an easy shot directly from the urethra to the bladder. In men, it's a different animal. You have a longer urethra, which can have scar tissue, and you have prostate, which can enlarge and make the anatomy a little bit tricky to negotiate. And typically, it's in men who may benefit from a Coude style catheter. The male anatomy starts with the penile urethra, which transitions into the prostatic urethra and then into the bladder. The natural anatomy is such that there's a curve that transitions from the penile urethra to the prostatic urethra into the bladder. That curve can take a steep slope in gentlemen with large prostates, or it can be quite gentle. It just depends on the individual. So in men with a steep slope, the straight catheter needs to take a nice curve into the bladder. And that curve can sometimes be difficult to negotiate. So as that catheter advances, it may hit up against the prostatic urethra where it needs to curve and potentially cause more trauma or issues. Compare that to a Coude style catheter, which has a natural upward curve. So as you advance that catheter, that little curved tip can negotiate that steep angle and enter into the bladder, generally with less trauma and more easily. How do you use a Coude catheter properly? Orientation is key. It all depends on keeping the tip of the catheter in the right direction. I have a Coude style catheter here. You want the tip facing up, towards the ceiling, towards the sky, towards your abdomen. These catheter makers will have an indicator band because as you advance the catheter, you can see that it's going into the tip of the urethra in the right direction, but you lose sight of that tip as you advance the catheter. Also, at the end of these catheters, there's oftentimes a little tab that will tell you which direction the tip is facing. So as you can see here, if I have the tip rotated to the left, that indicator band is on the left and the tab is on the left. To the right, the same thing. Down, same thing. Essentially, you want that indicator band, the tip, to start off on the top facing the ceiling. As you advance it, you want to continue to keep that indicator line facing the ceiling, and you ensure that that tab is also facing up. This will allow you to catheterize in the most efficient and proper way. So here are my tips and tricks as to how to make catheterization as easy as possible. Number one, make sure you wash your hands and use a new catheter. Make sure you use plenty of lubricant. Be generous. As more lubricant you use, it will be easier to slide the catheter into the bladder. If you're using a Coude style catheter like this, you want to ensure that the catheter tip is facing up. Put the penis on stretch. That'll take any natural bends out of the penile urethra. And as you advance the catheter, make sure that the indicator band is also facing up. And you want to advance it by keeping your hand close to the tip of the penis, as that'll give you more force and control to advance the catheter into the bladder. So if the catheter doesn't advance, then just stop, pull the catheter out, and take a break. Give yourself a few minutes, take some deep breaths, and relax. Sometimes the angle of the catheter was just off a little bit. Sometimes the prostatic muscle or the sphincter can go into spasm. Use the same tips. Make sure you use plenty of lubricant, use a new catheter, put the penile urethra on stretch, advance the catheter with a firm but gentle approach. Keep your working hand close to the tip of the penis to allow more control with the tubing, and I betcha that catheter will glide in without a problem. For years, we've worked with a group called 180 Medical. They're a highly dedicated group of individuals who are passionate about patient health and getting patients their supplies in a very effective and efficient way. I would highly recommend them if you have any catheter issues or questions. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment. We would love to hear from you.